I'm Judy Raper. I'm a chemical engineer and passionate about integrating across disciplines. So we were very lucky that we have 3 founders who are very strong global universities, and 2 of them particularly strong in engineering. And so we had a number of workshops where we had engineering academics from the 3 founders and visitors and industry people and students working together to try to brainstorm what's needed in an engineering curriculum, what attributes the students require, and how we can modernise it. So first of all, we don't have lectures. That's really important. We need students who will take responsibility for their own learning. So they have material that they have to learn. It's not assessed, but it does inform what they do with their projects. So it is very different. It's very different. And the projects are related to global challenges. And so the global challenge could be a community-related global challenge, or it could be an industry global challenge. For example, we had zero carbon in the first year, and the last 2 years we've had right to repair as our focus for our first years, to understand that there is a reason why they're taking vacuum cleaners apart and putting them back together again. That repairability is really important. There's a lot of universities that do problem-based learning, but the way they do it is they're introducing the generic skills that are really important for engineers to have through problem-based learning, and the technical skills are introduced in more traditional ways. How we're very different is that everything is assessed through the projects. So there are not a lot of academics who are used to have been doing that. There's lots of projects going and lots of project-based learning going on in universities now, and that's the first step. But it's really the assessment that is the tricky thing. So we really are trying to develop engineers who are globally focused and socially aware. So that social awareness is really important. So we're trying to take the blinkers off engineers. We don't want them to be so narrow and focused on the technical aspects. So we have to have people in the team who have those skills, but also discipline. So we started off with a cognitive psychologist in the team, not with us anymore, but certainly at the beginning when we developed the curriculum. We try to have more people with industry experience. Is really important as part of the vision to have real industry focused projects or in the problem-based learning. So we try to have people with industry experience as well. And because we're a general engineering degree, we do a bit of everything. So we need people with expertise in different disciplines. Our latest recruit is sort of a perfect TEDI-London background. So she has a degree in mechanical engineering, a combined master's in policy and computer science, and a PhD in urban sustainability. So that's the type of people, but they're rare. They're very rare. But we have mechanical engineers, electrical engineers, civil engineers, chemical engineers as well. So we've got a very diverse body of students, particularly in the first year. In the first year we had 50% females. We have a lot of minorities, different races, different backgrounds, quite a few mature students, 20% mature students, people who have got degrees and come back to do engineering. We have a mother who came to an open day with her son who ended up going to Nottingham, but she said she likes it so much she's doing the engineering degree, and she's now in second year. I think the majority wouldn't have gone to university or wouldn't have done engineering. So they don't have to do maths and physics. We know you need maths and physics for engineering, so they have to be capable of it, they have to have an aptitude for it, but they don't have to have it at A-levels. We're really proud of our students that are diverse. We have 36% in our current first year who self-assessed as neurodiverse, and we're really proud that we can support them and they make really good engineers. The values and the way that Engineers Without Borders UK have developed the transformation of the engineering profession fits so well with TEDI-London values, and it's comforting, and it's good for our confidence to know that a body like that believes in the same things we do. So that partnership has been great, and we've been happy to be guinea pigs for some of the sort of projects that Engineers Without Borders have been doing. So I would say just do it. Introducing global responsibility is not, I'm going to give you 100 lectures on global responsibility and you've got to write an essay about it or whatever. It's got to be part of what you're doing already. So integrate it into projects, into what you're doing already, and just have a go. And I know the structures can be difficult. Just take some other stuff out. Take some of the differential equations out of it and talk about things. Maybe talk about what's in the differential equations in words. Make the students talk about it in words and how they relate to big issues of the day. One of the biggest challenges is getting people to do things differently. And it's hard. When things are hard, we revert to what we know and doing things the way we've always done them. And that's every little thing that happens in TEDI-London, you have to push back and make it say we're different by default. We really need to find some small wins for people so that they can try something, a little thing that works, or makes them feel good, or they're on their way. How do you eat an elephant one bite at a time? That's my theory anyway.